how-to quick tip. Today, I'm going to show you how to cast a line with your fishing rod. First thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you have your line to a setting to where the line is pressed closer to the rod. Then you're going to release and cock your trigger. Using your index finger, you're going to hold your line, holding onto your rod firmly, and then swing your rod, and when you get to a point to where you're pointing with your rod, you're going to release your finger and your line's going to fly out just like this. Once you cast your line and you get your line far enough out, you want to reel your rod and cock this back over. Tighten your line, and then if you're using a bobber, let it set.